Alright, here we have it. 1985 GS1150E. Extremely clean Florida bike. Look at that bike, man. That bike is clean. I mean, it's nighttime, but you get the idea. This is my friend Stelios. This is his bike. He owns a Moto-Service. And this thing is, he took him 2 years to find this bike. And he found it. This thing is beautiful. Look at that. Look, he's taking pictures too. I just rode the thing for the first time, and this thing's a rocket. All right, maybe he'll take a spin. You gonna take a ride? It's too dark, this video, but I don't know if I don't have any light. I wish I had some light on this thing. That thing is dope. That thing is dope too. Alright, it's too dark.